Hi guys, I'm Monique from Renewed, and Renewed provides nutritional coaching as well as exposures to wellness activities to help you improve your energy and vitality for life. Today, Patrick and I are here. He is juicing, exposing us to that information, how he maintains his energy.
That's right.
and health.
Yep.
I always am fascinated after, while Patrick is working and seeing patients, and he has this high energy. Even at the end of the day, still has a high energy and maintain his energy throughout the day. So he's here with us today, and he's showing us exactly what he does in the morning to maintain his health.
Yes.
Yes.
We call it a phytonutrient drink.
A phytonutrient drink.
Phyto, P-H-Y-T-O, nutrient drink.
Yes.
Means plant-based. And get the nutrient from these drinks because we said that once you create a hostile environment in the body, cancer can develop. And the phytonutrient drink does that. It provides the body with lots of minerals and nutrients and vitamins, and keeps the cells bathing in alkaline liquid. And that's the significance of having a phytonutrient drink every morning. A phyto, who's the word phyto, right? Phytonutrient.
One thing I noticed about this phytonutrient drink is that it's colorful.
Very color, rainbow colors.
Yeah, it's like the rainbow, so many colors. So let's take a look at what's included in the phytonutrient drink.
Yeah, but before we go to that nutrient drink, I see you have your own drink, ain't it?
I have my own drink that I've made. And
you're hiding your stuff from me too, ain't it?
Oh man! See, but Patrick tried this. We have during the classes that Renewed offers comedic yoga. We offer other active classes, a lot of meditative classes, because in addition to eating healthy and having good energy, all of the things that you do to contribute to that, it incorporates exercise too, right?
Very important.
Meditation. Right?
And when we came to your yoga class
exactly.
last week,
good. So meditation is also important as well. And the good thing about the class is that when you come, you get some juice.
Get some juice, yeah.
Exactly. This is what we offer during comedic yoga as well as vegan treats. This Tuesday, I believe, right? We are having a comedic yoga session, and it's open to everyone. Come down, see what comedic yoga is like, join us during the meditation, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy. One of the other things that we're offering is a raffle. I'm giving away juicers, giving away a NutriBullet, giving away spiralizers. Patrick shows us that how juicing is important to the health, and Renewed would just like to help out and help you guys out to further your health.
That's right. So we're going to go to the phytonutrient drink.
Yes, we're going to go to the phytonutrient drink.
And we're going to put some herbs or tinctures in there and show you what I use in the phytonutrient drink to help my body stay with my heart, my liver, my kidney, my eyes, my brain. Once they stay well, then the whole body is in balance. Yeah. So we're going to
definitely.
Yes. There we go. Bless it.
Okay, look what we have
so
here.
Look what we have here. Now, what I do after I do my juices is I go and it's all my green over here, and I juice all that with ginger and turmeric, and I put a lime in there for alkalization of the blood. And then I will have my calcium. This is what Sister Monique made. So it's kale and cucumbers.
Cucumber, pear, ginger, and lemon.
All right, and I know it tastes good. So when I eat it and I taste it good, it tastes good. You all better buy it, Understand?
It's really good.
And then we do calcium and magnesium. I take about 3 of this per day. And then I do the brain awake, keep my brain healthy. And then I do the Super B complex. And they're very good companies, again, we have to know where we buy our stuff from. And then I use my enzymes. I use my enzyme in my food to keep the exocrine part of my pancreas helping to make my amylase, protease, and my lipase to help to break down the foods when I take it into my intestines and my stomach. So the enzymes are very important, especially if you're past the age of 50. All right, you don't produce 60% of the enzymes. And then we're talking about the men's stuff. If you're a man, you know what I'm saying? Look at it right here, boy. Food-based men's multivitamin. I use one of that every day. And then I use this one over here. It's called, I take about 4 of this every day. Men's Performance Energy for Men. You know what I mean, bruh? See the right on here? Keep your adrenals healthy, keep your heart well, keep your prostate well, and also keep your sexual health healthy too. You know, I take 4 of these every day. And then I take one for my adrenal glands. Because you know that we live in a stressful society, so we have to look at the adrenals, not being all stressed. So we put that in the, after we make the juice, we have that as our meal, you know. And then I take my MSM. MSM is important not only for your joint, but it's also important for your eyes. All right, so I take all these things together in my meal, you know. And then I always try to do Candida cleanse. I will do a Candida capsule or tablet. I may do 1 or 2 per day just to keep the Candida away, you know, so we don't get all, because Candida yeast cause lots of diseases also, and that is very significant. And I take about 2 of that every day, yeah. Then I'm going to show you what we're going to do with these tinctures here. You know, after I make the juice, I'm going to show you how to use these tinctures for different ailments or different parts of the body. Although I'm not sick, but I prevent. So I treat my eyes, my liver, my kidney, my heart, and my lung with these stuff, okay? I'm going to show you how we put them together. All right. Ready, Monique?
Ready.
So we're going to the red pepper. Red beets, green apples, and don't forget the ginger, very significant. And we're going to the string beans. And we're going to the watercress. This is a very significant plant. It's a food herb, but it is very significant, man, for your liver. If you have any kind of trouble in the liver with your enzyme function, the LGPOT, the alkaline phosphatase, the GGT, all the liver enzyme, plus your Kupffer cells, that's supposed to keep cancer away from the liver. This particular food, watercress, don't taste well, it might taste bitter, but it's very significant for your liver and liver health. And have a lot of minerals because it grows in the drain. So it's like sea moss and other sea vegetables, but lots of minerals, man. So that is very significant to juice with your green juice in the morning to get all your minerals and your vitamins, okay? Yeah?
Got it. Smells good in here, by the way.
Yeah, it does, huh? Well, someone's gonna push it out. Silicon. You go. Then we're gonna use a piece of pumpkin. Yeah. The rest of the apple. And then a little bit of parsley, you know. That's the boy right there. That's what I have, like maybe 4 or 5 days per week in the morning. It's called a phytonutrient drink. And what I will do is, I will put a few drops of this formula called burdock red root compound. You see what it says? Support lymphatic function, because we know that the lymphatic system is part of the immune system, and that's where you host your macrophages and your T lymphocytes. And a lot of the time, if you have HTLV virus, human T-cell lymphoma virus, you have to use this particular formula because it helps to keep the viral infection away from the lymphatic system. So I might do about 30 drops. And then we have one called, if you're a man, We use the one for the men's prostate. It's called men's prostate tonic. So it keeps our prostate healthy because we find lots of young brothers now in the 40s and 50s is coming down with prostate cancer. So this will keep the prostate well. It will keep the 5-alpha reductase, the enzymes, from converting into dihydrotestosterone that cause you or us men to get prostate cancer. All right? And this product can be used for 3 to 4 months. And if you have an enlarged prostate, it will shrink it. Or if you can't pee because of enlarged prostate, an enlarged prostate gland, it will also help you to shrink the prostate so you can urinate. Okay? We use 40 drops of that, which is 2 drops full. Put
Do
it in
they
here.
have a formula for women?
Oh, sure. We have one for women called Women's Formula.
Okay.
And then we have cardio compound. Now, I don't have no troubles in my heart, but I like to prevent because you know what I told people before I had a stroke. And there was high blood pressure in my family. My mom died from 2 strokes. So I try to keep my heart well. And this cardio compound have a herb that works on the nervous system and also on the adrenals. So I will take 40 drops of this and put it in the juice. Ginkgo and horse chestnut. And this is also for circulation. But it also helped with varicose veins and hemorrhoids. But it also helps men who have what we call impotence from impaired circulation. And it prevents plaque from forming on the wall of the artery. So you have good circulatory health. And I will do about 20 drops of that in the juice. This is called Tissus compound. And remember we just spoke about the enzyme in the liver.
Right.
So when you have hepatitis B or C or cirrhosis of the liver, any kind of liver disorders, we use Tissus compound because it supports healthy liver function and it keeps the enzymes healthy and the Kupffer cells because the enzymes are very significant and the Kupffer cells is what protect you from getting cancer in your liver. So that's what I do. I use about 40 drops of this here. This one is for my eyes. I don't have trouble with my eyes, but I try to prevent glaucoma, cataracts, pigmentosa, retinitis pigmentosa. I try to prevent macular degeneration, and I try to protect my retina from being damaged by free radicals. Because this particular formula have lots of carotenoids and flavonoids that help to deal with eye circulation and prevent free radicals from damaging your eye cells. I use about 40 drops of this here too. And the last one I think I use is it's called Ultimate Echinacea. And Ultimate Echinacea, you know that when you have any kind of viral infection and the CD4 cells is very low, we can use the Ultimate Echinacea. There's 3 of them. Echinacea purpurea and Echinacea andesfolia, I believe. And what they do is they seem to raise up the CD4 cells and work through your lymphatic system also. So it keeps the immune system healthy. It's also good for bronchitis, laryngitis, sinus infection, sinusitis, and it keeps the immune system well. If you have a cold in the wintertime, you can use about 40 drops every 4 hours and the cold will go away if you have the cold in progress. If the cold is not there, you can use it to prevent colds and flus, okay? Right? And you can use about 40 drops of that. And then we're going to have a little glass of it. I mean, have a little glass of it. Yeah, see that, you know?
Wow.
Yeah, man.
That looks really good.
Mm.
So this is what you have every day.
Mm-hmm. Every morning.
Yeah.
If you do have a phytonutrient drink in the morning, it is more difficult for you to get any form of disease. That's very significant. You understand? So if you have that and you could take all the herbs and you could do that for about a month or 2 and you take a break for about 2 months and start back again, that will keep you well. Because we have lots of our people coming in with cancers, man. It's amazing. Pancreatic cancer, breast cancer, 32 years old. You know what I mean? Brothers coming in with prostate cancer, remove their prostate gland at 45, 49, 52. It's crazy.
Wow.
So we have to learn to prevent these diseases, okay? Because we were not taught how to fix our troubles. And that's the reason why we do all these programs.
One question, Patrick.
Sure.
What do you do with the pulp?
Well, what I do with the pulp is I will take the pulp out, put it in a bowl like this over here, and I will put it with some coconut water, and I will put it in a blender and blend it up. Because you know that all the pulp have a lot of fiber.
Yeah.
So I will put it in a blender, blend it up, and then I will strain it and have a juice from that too with the coconut water.
Got it.
You know what I mean? And that will keep my fiber, keep the cholesterol away.
Got it.
You know what I mean? Keep my bowels moving as an intestinal broom to move things out to the intestines. And then in that way you have good bowel movements every day. You don't get high cholesterol. So these things are very significant. But when people eat late at night and eating all the flesh foods on a regular basis, they don't stay well. And that is what we try to teach our people every day. To eat the foods or drink the juices that will keep you well.
Okay, so that wraps up the phytonutrient drink.
Yep.
How did it taste?
Phytonutrient.
How did it taste?
You didn't taste it yet?
I didn't taste it.
You got to taste it. You got to taste the phytonutrient drink.
Okay, let's taste the phytonutrient
Let's taste
drink.
the phytonutrient
See, because it had
drink.
some stuff for prostate. I'm
That
like,
ain't
listen.
saying nothing. We're going to give you a prostate.
Oh my god. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Taste the ginger in it.
I taste that ginger.
Ginger
It has
is
that
serious.
kick. This is really good.
Yeah, man. Serious stuff, man.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh
serious
my
stuff.
goodness.
Yeah, it's a phytonutrient drink, and it's good for a lot of things. Good for your eyes, good for your liver, good for your kidney, good for your heart, good for the circulatory system, good for the brain.
This
You
is
know what I mean?
amazing.
It's amazing stuff, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I see where the energy comes from.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm feeling energized already.
Yeah, because we don't force. I
Wow.
don't force my organs to work. I just give my organs a break and let the organ do the job it's supposed to do in keeping the bloodstream clean. So I use mostly everything in liquid form to help to move through the bloodstream and keep the cells in an alkaline base. And once the cells are based in an alkaline, the cells will take care of me. You know what I mean? They will prevent, because they are my protectors. They will prevent me from getting sick. And any kind of disease, easy. It's going to be a hard time for these devils to come into my system, because these phytonutrient drinks do keep us healthy. So we didn't follow these things, man.
This is really good.
Serious stuff, you know?
And I learned a lot today from Patrick.
Wonderful.
In seeing his methods and how his juices, how he combines the vegetables in his juices, and we'll surely be implementing that in the juices offered by Renewed. So come on down Tuesday. If you're in New York, of course, we're located in Brooklyn, New York, and I'll post the Eventbrite link under this video. You can go to the link, and buying a spot within the class will enter you into the raffle to potentially win the health food appliances that Renewed has to offer. So thank you. This is
Wonderful.
really good.
Really some good stuff.
Really good.
So we're here I'm here. I'm in New York again till Thursday, you know, because of a lot of people. So I'm supposed to leave on Monday, but we're going to be here till Thursday. And we're going to leave, I think, on Thursday, until Wednesday, so we're going to leave on Thursday morning. So we're asking everybody to support Renewed and support the sister, because she's doing a wonderful job.
Thank you,
You
Patrick.
know, give thanks.
I appreciate that.
Give thanks. Yeah,
Thank
bless
you.
her.
Take care.